Please tell me no.
It's the only one.
Oh, dude, you've got to check this out. Check it out. Let's see what Squatter's been up to. And let's see what he likes to do. I think if you're a brand new investor, stay the hell away from something like that. So we are in Kansas City, Missouri. It's a beautiful day. And we're going to look at a property that's like 6,000 square feet. You can see there's a lot of historical homes right around us right here. The whole point of this video is we're going to evaluate this property and see if it's something that's worth buying. This house is listed for like $447,000. I guess the bank won't take less than that. We're gonna walk in, there's a bunch of people looking at the property right now. And in this video, we're gonna see what is it gonna cost to fix this property up? What's the highest and best use? This is like an Airbnb play. If you're in Kansas City, Country Club Plaza is like where you wanna be. It's like where the money's at. Here's the negatives. If you look right here, it's off of Main Street. So when you're buying properties off of Main Street, you can see all these cars are parked almost out in the street. A couple things just to point out. We know we got 1, 2, 3, 4 HVAC units. So that's gonna be an expense. You can see this big, beautiful yard right here. What's your name?
Scarlett.
Scarlett what?
Kearns.
What's your name? Goofy?
Bob.
Bob what? Kearns?
I mean Ben Dover.
Ben?
My name's Robin the Bank.
Robin the Bank. So that's my crew. And yeah, we'll roll through. So this is the first floor. So you've got obviously some sort of a leak right here. This would be, I don't know what the hell.
Where's Maynard?
Where's Maynard? Yeah, right when you need him. Hello, hello.
Hey. Where are those kids?
I let him out and go throw rocks at the cars. It's got like a uphill, downhill walk.
Yes. So it's a reverse mortgage.
Oh yeah, I know what that is.
The bank foreclosed on it and it was a reverse mortgage, so they're only able to sell it, at the appraised value.
So here's a cool thing. Do you guys know what a reverse mortgage is and how those foreclosures work? HUD actually backs that loan. So it's a HUD-backed loan, and actually they can go underneath that, but they're probably just saying that for right now because obviously they gotta get it rid of it at some point. But what a reverse mortgage is when you're like old and you put all your money into your property or most of your money into your property, and your house is worth like a ton of money now or worth some money and you don't have any more money, you go get a reverse mortgage, you suck that money out. Guys actually make like a 9% rip when they do that. You have to like go through a whole class and everything like that. And then basically you're getting your money you're getting your equity out of the property, and that's through HUD. So it's a HUD-backed loan. And once that happens, then you die and then the house becomes property of HUD. And so HUD owns the property right now. This is the kitchen? Please tell me no.
It's the only one.
Oh, dude, you've got to check this out. Reason that this property has not sold right now. This is a 6,000 square foot house with a butler's kitchen. Like, look at this thing. This property, oh, nice. Got some water coming in, a little bit of black toxic mold. It's a good negotiating point when you're buying properties. Definitely, you want to say the words black toxic mold. I use that all the time and people don't like it. And say, can you give me a discount on the property because it's got black toxic mold? You'd want to see how can you open this thing out. Celeste's probably already been thinking about that. I met Ben Dover and so we have a basement too? Oh, let's go check that out. Ross loves basements, dude. Oh, holy shit! No, just kidding. I have never seen this before. You've got a sunroom in the basement. That's kind of cool. Oh, was this thing stripped out? No. You've got a little bit of moisture right here. Looks like they sealed that in. This is probably your main area where you're gonna get moisture from. But this is dry. Some mold issues here and some more mold issues here. So you'd probably just want to rip all this drywall out of here. Most people are not gonna want to rehab this property. The question is, what's it worth rehabbed? All right, let's go. Ladies, will you show us around here?
Grand tour.
Yeah. It's a nice staircase.
Even just the width of the hallway space up here is so desirable. You've got how many apartments seated?
25? Yeah. Not 6.
They've all been turned into gas. Holy Toledo, that is old as. Oh, did you see the dead squirrel? Come on over here. Check him out. This is a cool house though. It's gotta be an Airbnb play, huh? Or you just throw it up on the market. Like, what do you think the rehab is on this? And make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, and make sure you sign up for our coaching program, spend your money, come to our program. No. What do you think like the rehab is on something like this?
I think this is a house where you try to keep a lot of this charm intact and not try to make it brand new by any means.
Right, I like that. We got another squirrel in here? Oh, nice! Look at that. No squirrel, but we got mice. You want one?
It's a laundry room.
Or
another sleeping quarters.
Or another bathroom. Like that would be a better use of the master bathroom. Maybe that's the laundry room or vice versa.
Or just wall that up to where it doesn't now it's a suite, and that's its own suite.
Oh, yeah. What's this?
It's old school breaker box.
Yeah, fuse, knob
Knob and tube. Oh, we
But
can
City
see
of
who
Kansas
was
City would
where.
tell us that we upgraded that, so.
Oh yeah, dude, if you worked for the city of Kansas City, you would tell us that we didn't get a permit for that in 1942.
Yeah, right.
And we just bought the property and so there's one more level? Okay. All right, so they G'd this out. So they had an upgrade in the 70s. This is a lot of room up here.
Oh, the dark wood with that tub in the sunlight.
Yeah, just a pooper right in the middle of nowhere. You're like, when do you think this was remodeled? In the 70s?
Probably like maybe late 70s, early 80s.
Holy crap, is this big, huh? And you got hardwood underneath there, so that's dope. You'd want to go all the way back to that. What is this?
Squatters.
Oh, somebody moved in? Oh yeah, check it out. Let's see what squatters have been up to. All right, so somebody's living here, and let's see what he likes to do. He likes to something. Yeah, he's got Pokemon habits. Definitely taking showers. It doesn't smell like it though.
Look at this button on the wall.
That's probably to buzz the people downstairs. Like, just, hey, yo, I need something to eat. Let's look at the outside. You're fully fenced in. That didn't stop Homeboy from making it his place. If you're watching right now, would you buy this property? The asking price is $447,000. 6,000 square feet. It's probably worth $1 million-ish. North of $1 million. What do I think the rehab is here? So this is just like one of those houses, like it's how far do you go? How far do you go and where do you stop? For me, as I'm looking at this house, is I'm going as little as possible in this house because the further you go, the less money you make. And no matter who's buying it, in that $1 million range, you're not gonna be able to hit their taste. And so they're gonna be like, oh, I wanna change this, oh, I wanna change that, I wanna change this, I wanna change that. So I'm going through here and I'm thinking like minimum, you're spending 150,000 bucks and you could go north of there. And that's just from putting things back together the right way. You're gonna have to put all new electrical in this place. It's gonna rip up some of the walls. You're gonna have to put new HVAC.
The guest house or just a shed? Or?
I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it's just a garage. Looks like they painted this recently. Probably stunk. I'm sure that's what they did when they got it ready for sale. We got some people following us. What's your name again? Robin the Bank. So question to you, would you buy the house on this major street? Is Airbnb the highest and best use? What is the highest and best use of this property? Is it an Airbnb? Is it a flip? Is it a house that somebody wants to live in? And here's the other thing, when you are buying an Airbnb property, check this out. The city can change their requirement at any point in time. Speaking from experience, I had a property in New Orleans. It was legal to Airbnb, no problem. All of a sudden, new mayor gets elected. Oh, you've got to have a homestead. It's got to be your personal home to Airbnb it, which is complete BS. Why? Because it's the hotel cartel. My question is, what are you gonna do when that happens? When you talk about exit strategies. For me, the amount of money that you're gonna make from an Airbnb and the amount of money that that property costs, it's not worth it. I've got this really cool house in a really cool area that might rent out for $600, $700, $800, $900 a night. That's the other question is, how much is this thing gonna rent for? I think if you're a brand new investor, stay the hell away from something like that. You're gonna get your butt kicked. You're gonna get your butt kicked. You don't know what you're getting into with the construction. You don't know what you're getting into with freaking Airbnb, with the city requirements. And you better be damn well positive that you get your Airbnb permit before you even start construction. Take the easy layup. They don't need any electrical upgrades. They need carpet, they need paint, they need new laminate. That's all they need, and then you'll be fine, right? You can get out of that deal alive. You got multiple exit strategies, long-term rental, short-term rental, Airbnb, all that. This one's got 2 exit strategies. Well, 3. Long-term rental, short-term rental, or you flip it. How much is it worth? I don't know. If you're a brand new investor, you definitely should get started by a mentor like me. I would tell you, if you were my student right now, stay the hell away from that deal. And no matter how attractive, no matter how the numbers look, you're gonna find something else completely different when you go buy that property. You're gonna find out, holy crap, it took a lot longer than I anticipated. Holy crap, it cost me a lot more money than I anticipated. Holy crap, Troy, Kansas City just changed Airbnb requirements that says I can't do it in Country Club Plaza because they can do crap like that. Because maybe somebody over here says, I don't freaking like that no more, and you're done. My strategy would be, if you've got multiple properties, if you're a high risk taker, if you've got lots of properties like me, yeah, you could take a gamble at that, but I might even get my butt kicked on something like that. So why would I do that? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join our free Facebook group, Millionaire Mentorship Real Estate Investing Facebook group online. Go to our website, sign up for a free coaching call. We'll get you started. We'll get you taking action. If you're in 2023 and you haven't started investing in real estate, man, the guy behind the camera right there, the guy in the sky just bought 3 freaking rental properties. He moved out here to Dallas, Texas to learn. He executed, he took action. You have to take action if you want to invest in real estate. We'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.